and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe.
So let's start with today's lovely cornflakes fried spicy chicken. So here I've taken about 200 grams of boneless chicken breast and cut them into cubes. This is about 1 cup of corn flour, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. This is 1 teaspoon of ready-made piri powder, some mixed herbs and some salt. So now I've just added all of the ingredients except the corn flour to the chicken. And we're just going to mix everything very well together. I'm also going to beat up this 1 egg and add it to the chicken. Now we're going to mix everything well together and just cover and keep it aside for about 15 to 20 minutes so all the flavors can go in. In the meantime, just take about 2 cups of cornflakes and just crush them up roughly. Don't blend them in your blender to a fine powder. We want that cornflakes texture. Now I'm just going to add the corn flour to the chicken. Now by adding the corn flour to the chicken, it makes the chicken really nice and crispy. And then we're just going to roll them up in this crushed up cornflakes. And I've got some oil for deep frying, so I'm just going to deep fry them once the oil is hot. Now I did go ahead and add a little bit of Kashmiri chilli powder, which my camera did not, I either forgot to shoot it or the camera just missed out on that one, or I didn't click the adding of the chili powder. But that's why you'll see this little bit of a reddish color to the chicken. I just wanted a little darker color to the chicken, so that's completely optional. So that's why you see this little bit of a reddish tinge. So excuse me for that I didn't shoot the adding of the Kashmiri chili powder, but that's completely optional. If you want a little darker red color, then you can add the Kashmiri chili powder. And then we're just going to fry these till they're nice and golden brown in color. Drain the excess oil on the kitchen napkin. And I've just stored the rest of them in a nice steel box so that whenever I want to fry them for my kids and my family, my hubby and me, I can just do that. And it lasts in your fridge for about 2 days. Don't keep it for longer than that. It doesn't stay longer than that anyway. Now I'm just going to make a dip. So I've taken about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. To that I'm just going to add a few drops of Tabasco sauce. Then I'm just going to add the juice of half a lemon. A little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder, or you can use paprika. A little bit of pepper powder. And just about 2 teaspoons of chilled dahi. And I'm going to mix all of this together. And this makes a nice accompaniment. But actually the best accompaniment for this is the Southwest sauce that you get. But I was running out of that, so I just came up with this dip. And it tasted really good. And of course a little pinch of sugar. And you can also add some roasted jeera or cumin powder too. Give all of this a nice mix. And that's a great accompaniment for this lovely cornflakes fried spicy chicken.
So So friends, wasn't it really simple and with very few ingredients? So I hope you like today's recipe and I hope you give it a try, and if you do, then don't forget to leave your comments in this comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. And once you do that, then also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. And once you have subscribed, a little bell will show up. Just click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a video or a recipe, you'll be the first one to know. You'll get a message for the same. Also, to find me on YouTube, just type the recipe you're looking for, and on the side of it or the next to it, just type Akshata's recipes. For example, if you're looking for chicken curry, just write chicken curry Akshata's recipes, and all my chicken curry recipes will come up. Also, I'm active on Facebook, Instagram, and I have my own blog page. All links will be down in the description box below. So thank you so much for joining me today, and have a nice day. Be safe, stay healthy, stay at home, and be kind and loving to one another. And I'll catch you in my next recipe and next video sooner than you think. Take care, guys. Bye.